Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about a DAX function called total year to date. It allows you to be able to calculate the total of a particular year based on the month's values. So as you are looking at it now, you can see that we have this is a matrix which we are looking at. We have in one column months, and also we have another column revenue. So you can see it. So what we want to now get now is that this is the revenue of each particular month. So we want to have like a cumulative revenue. So just like January, then in February we have the addition of both February and January, and then in March we have the addition of both March, February and January. So this is like a cumulative value. This is what we want to get. So at any time in our slicer we select a particular year, we're able to get the revenue or the total revenue of that particular year. So this is where the total year to date function actually comes in place. So now I'm going to be creating the total, I'm going to create that particular measure. I'm going to be calling this cumulative sum. So I'll right click on my sales and click on new measure. So cumulative, I can say cumulative year sum. So cumulative year sum is going to be equals to total year to date. So you can see it evaluates the specified expression over the interval which begins on the first day of the year and ends with the last date in the specified date column after applying specified filters. So sometimes your month might either end in July, so it's going to get you the cumulative up to that particular specified date. So now what I'm going to be doing now is my sum, the sum of sales revenue. So now I'm going to apply it on my dates table. I'm going to say dates. Can you see it? Dates. So this is it. I'm now going to close the brackets. So now I've already applied my total year to date. That is my sum of revenue, and I'm applying it on this particular date column in my dates table. Then I'm going to click on enter. See, it's cumulative year sum. Then where is my cumulative year sum? I'm going to go back to my visual and bring my cumulative year sum below my values. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select a particular year like 2015. So you can now see the way the values are increasing. You can see 16 million plus, you can see 33 million, 56 million. Can you see I'm now getting the cumulative value? So this is how the total year to date function actually works. So when you also go to 2017, you can see it. We're also having the same thing. So you can be able to see the cumulative sum for each particular year. So it allows me to know the revenue I'm having together each month. So unlike this revenue where I'm only having the revenue of each particular month, here I'm having the cumulative revenue of each month. So I know that in 2017 this is my revenue. In February I'm now adding it to this particular revenue, I'll have this value. Adding it to this particular revenue, I also have this particular value. So this is how you can use the total year to date function in Power BI. Thank you very much.